to something else. Now you tell them. Make sure you explain all that.
Welcome to Quarantine Cooking with Amanda, featuring Felicia.
Mom.
You have probably seen horchata. It is a rice water-based drink that is often combined with almond milk. It's pretty simple. You soak your rice, you soak your almonds overnight, blend, and then you strain or not if you have a high-speed blender. And you add a little bit of salt, cinnamon, and vanilla. That's it. So it's pretty simple, so there you go. But we wanted to try different recipes.
Yes, we do. Now we're going to sample them.
Yeah, so we have 3 different recipes. They all have rice, water, but one has almond milk, one has cashew milk, and one has coconut milk. So we're going to taste them and tell you the difference of what we think. Let's start with that one.
I don't know what they are.
She doesn't know. It's a surprise. I know. But I haven't tasted them yet. Oh, you also add a sweetener, but we purposely did not add a lot of sweetener.
Cheers. That tastes like tasty.
Yeah, cinnamon's good. I blended up, I soaked them overnight with a whole cinnamon stick, and when I blended up the rice, and this is almonds, I also blended up the cinnamon stick and then strained the liquid. It's good.
It's very good. It'll be good over ice
Yeah.
with some Kahlua.
Next, I did strain these. After I blended the rice and the nuts, I strained them because they were still kind of clumpy. I didn't want grainy drink. The almond one was the easiest to strain by hand. Fun fact.
Fun fact.
This one's good, a little creamy.
This one's very good, you know. When you want something refreshing to drink, but you're tired of water and regular almond milk, because these really aren't milks, they're more like a drink.
It's a drink that you can sit and enjoy. This one's good, creamy. Number 3.
These two are very good. Let's see what this one.
We'll share the recipes with you too, so don't worry. Even though they're all the same, except they're all different in which nut was used.
This one looks different. It's lighter in color.
Looks thinner, looks watery.
Yeah, it does.
We'll see.
It's sweet. It's a sweet drink.
It is lighter.
Tastes like they would even be good used as anywhere you would use a milk, like on cereal.
It'd be really good in cereal. Which one's your favorite?
That's a tough one.
They're all good. So the first one was with almonds, the second was with cashews, and the third was with coconut. They're all a bit different, but they all are actually really good.
Yeah, they really are. Almonds, this was cashews. Do a double taste test.
The cashew one is creamy. But they were hard to strain, so if you have a high-speed blender like a Vitamix, it'd do a really good job, and you wouldn't have to strain them.
Yeah, I think, I love coconut. So,
If you don't really like almond milk to begin with, maybe don't try the almond one. It does taste very almondy.
but not near as much as almond milk.
Right, because it's rice.
Because it's got a rice base, and it's cut with water.
And maple syrup.
So they're all yummy, so it's up to your personal preference. Are you allergic to nuts? Go with a coconut.
There you go.
If you like almonds better, do that one. But they're all awesome.
Have fun horchataing, and we'll see you tomorrow. For tomorrow's episode, we'll make acai bowls in the morning.
See you then.
If you have requests, we're still taking requests. Until next time.
Hey, and if you can't find organic nuts, give Amanda a call. We have plenty in stock.